Greetings class, this is Mitchell Van Ling's video presentation for Commercial 2 AVI 326. I'm doing it on Lazy 8s. What is the purpose of Lazy 8s? The Lazy 8 is a maneuver that is designed to develop the proper coordination of flight controls across a wide range of airspeeds and attitudes. That's directly from the FAA Flying Handbook. How is a Lazy 8 accomplished? A Lazy 8 maneuver is accomplished by making a climbing turn to the 90-degree point and then lowering the nose, briefly passing through 0 and into a descending turn to the 180-degree point, ending up at the same altitude and airspeed that the maneuver was started with. Key points of an Lazy 8. According to the FAA Airplane Flying Handbook, picking prominent reference points is a crucial starting point. Once the points are selected, seeing your 45, 90, and 135 degree reference points will be easier. And also you need to make sure that you clear the airspace before you enter the procedure, the maneuver. Basics of a Lazy 8. A proper power setting is required for the aircraft loading. So if you're lighter, you're going to need less power than you are. If it's lighter and cooler, you're going to need less power if it's hotter and you're heavy. Approximate power setting for a Cessna 172s, which I'm training in at Wings Flight School, is 2,300 RPMs. It seems to work pretty well. A straight and level flight and enter the climbing turn to the left or right, whichever way you start. And as soon as you reach max pitch, approximately 12 to 15 degrees nose up and 15 degrees nose roll at the 45 degree point in the maneuver. So you enter you're flying straight and level, and to enter it you start pitch and a slow roll to 15 degrees roll and approximately 12 to 15 degrees nose up, trying to be as smooth and seamless as possible, while maintaining pitch and slowly increasing the roll to 30. So at this point you're going passing 45 degrees. Your 45 degrees you should be maximum pitch up and nearing 5 to 10 knots of the stall warning. So passing through 45, you increase your roll to 30 degrees while maintaining the 12 to 15 degrees nose up to the 90 degree point. While at the 90 degree point in the maneuver, the pitch should pass momentarily through flat pitch 0 degrees, and the airspeed should be at its lowest, approximately 5 to 10 above stall, being maintained from the 45 to the 90. The pilot should maneuver the aircraft into a descending left or right turn, whichever way you went, while decreasing the roll a bank towards 15 degrees. So you want to be at the 15 degrees roll and nose down at 135. So the aircraft and you have to be coordinated or the aircraft won't fall through the turn correctly. Approaching the 180 degree point in the maneuver, the pilot should slowly be reducing bank and roll back to level and increasing pitch to level off at the same altitude and airspeed that you entered the maneuver with. If the maneuver was done properly, the whole maneuver should be smooth and in coordinated flight. It's tricky, and I'm still working on them. So my reference was the FAA Flying Handbook, and I hope that you all have good work with your Lazy 8s, because I find them to be the trickiest of all the maneuvers. And I think my last flight I was able to make some great progress, and so hopefully I'm going to be doing well over this next week and a half. I'm going to be flying a ton. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.